Alright everybody, GBP USD, give me a second, GBP USD. Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon students and traders. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is the professional Forex trading course, still 101, right, for beginner traders. The analyst part. Thank you, Crypto Millionaire. Yes, 5 minutes. Thank you very much. Everybody, never forget trading is a learnable skill. When you learn in the correct way, never forget that you are going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have your strategy in place. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works so you can make an educated prediction. Long or short for the week? Yes, sir. For questions and homeworks, you have my email contact, and for business inquiries or whatever, you know, workshops, seminars, you have the Skype. You can follow me on YouTube, youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX, and you can see a little bit of my life on Instagram, right? The Freedom. Alright, that being said, so remember with disclaimer, this is no trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, especially in the Forex trading week, where we are trying to implement what we have learned into the live market, live charts. Alright. Ernesto was asking this morning, market wave on the 4-hour chart, everybody, GBP USD, right? 4-hour chart. Yes, next week we're going to learn the Fibonacci. So, okay, Fibonacci. Oh, I can delete it also, right? Not a problem. Alright, Ernesto, are you here, Ernesto? Market wave rules. How to identify relevant highs and lows. Market rules, we learned about this one. Concepts, how to identify relevant highs and lows. This is a low, this is a high, this is a low, and this is a high. Give me a second. Relevant highs and lows are borderlines between retracements and extensions. Okay, lesson number 3, I believe. Borderlines. Yes. Okay, everybody. The relevant highs and lows on the market wave are the borderlines between extensions and retracements. Every single time that you see a change in the short-term trend, you have a change in the market wave direction. My honorable boss, sir, how are you, Shola? I'm great, thank you very much. Okay, now that being said, right, we are going to connect highs and lows, right? Low to high. And remember, we're looking for a sequence. Yes, we're going to connect all highs and lows. Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Must be a sequence, so not a high, not a high, not a high. There is a high, right? Okay, everybody. Do we agree that from the very beginning up to here, do we agree that we were in an uptrend? Type in the chat, everybody, or especially Ernesto. Do we agree from the starting point to up to here, we were in an uptrend, yes or no? Boss, why did you start there? Because this is the starting point of the monthly band. In this example, agreed, everybody? Great questions. Thank you very much for the beginner trader asking questions. Boss, why did you start in here? Because this is the monthly band starting point from the 4-hour chart too. Great question, thank you very much. Alright, now, do we agree that the next sequence, high to low, low to high, high to not a low, high to low, low to high, must be a sequence, high to low, low to high, high to low. Do we agree that the next sequence, it's a sequence of lower lows, lower highs, which determine the downtrend? Do we agree on this one too, everybody? Do we agree? Dancy, hello, my name is Michael Dancy. Alright. Please call me Michael or Michael if you want, or FXFreedom. Alright. Hedge fund trader Ernesto, are you here? Do we agree, everybody, that the market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs? Yes, okay, so market wave, this is an extension on the 4-hour chart. And now, before I draw the retracement, do we agree, everybody, then the next sequence, low to high, high to low, 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 low to high. Okay, do we agree that next sequence, which was not a straight line, okay, do we agree we were in an uptrend? So we were an uptrend in here, right? But then we were an uptrend in here, short-term uptrend, and then we were a short-term downtrend in here, okay? But because the market didn't make a higher high and the market didn't make a lower low, all of those highs and lows are not relevant, okay? But nonetheless we finished up in here. Do we agree on this, everybody? We started from the rectangle and we finished up in here, and this rectangle is higher than this circle. Do we agree? And this was a lesson that not all highs and lows are relevant. Once you have the first sequence of highs and lows, once you determine the relevant low, relevant high, relevant low, then in between you have a bunch of highs and lows which are not relevant. Why not? Because the sequence is not ending as a lower low, and the sequence is not ending as a higher high either. Make sense? Boss, not clear. Alright. Remember, everybody, we are wasting time, right? This is a lesson you should have learned January. Okay? We are wasting time explaining to you something that you should have learned already. Okay? So, if you take the downtrend in here, the red one, and then you take this price action, you don't see the future, right? But you see higher highs, higher lows. Okay? Did the market make a higher high compared to the previous high, the circle high, yes or no? Boss, can you repeat please? From the downtrend, short-term downtrend, the red downtrend, and the last circle, the market went up, right? It was making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, do we agree that the market did not make a higher high compared to the previous high? And you have the blue arrow pointing at? Yes. So this uptrend, it's not an extension yet. Why not? Because it didn't make a higher high. It's a sequence. No, this is not Elliott waves, has nothing to do. Okay? So all of this, when you chart everybody, and when you trade, and when you freak out in between, and when you lose your money, none of this is relevant to the pattern. Make sense? Why not? One more time. Because it didn't make a higher high. Yes, there is a higher high. No, it's not. It's not compared to the circle one. Shola, pay attention, my friend. Pay attention, everybody. This is a learnable skill, right? So you're looking at a chart, and in theory you're looking at this. Can you see it, everybody? The blue one is theory. And shall I say, oh, this high is higher than that high? It's not. Can you see that the first circle, Shola, it's higher, it's above the green line. It's not a higher high, sorry to tell you, no sir. Okay, everybody? So this is where we trade, you know, and this is where we lose money because we're trading something it's not relevant. Make sense? So the market move forward and start to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? See this sequence, everybody? All of this sequence in between, all of this mess, it's not relevant to the market wave. One more time. Why not? Because this price action didn't make a higher high and it didn't make a lower low. If this price action would make or a higher high or a lower low, then we would have a new relevant low, just an example, or a new relevant high. Does this make sense to you? Does this make sense to you? Alright. So not relevant price action to the talking about the pattern. Okay, and finally, right? So the market went up, you know, made a higher high compared to this one, made a higher high compared to this one, and now the market starts to do what? Start to retrace again. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. Right, everybody, do we agree that we have the new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high? Do we agree? So we have relevant low, relevant high, relevant low, relevant high, relevant low. See how easy everybody is to make a mistake? Triangle, it's not relevant when you chart. See the triangle here? This low, it's not relevant. And this is now the market wave. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement. So far. So far, right? Boss, I'm new to the channel. Go back to Dukas Copy YouTube webinar page and start to watch lesson number 1, what is market structure. Okay? So those are the rules and the concepts, everybody, not to waste too much time. Right? Now again, if you understood, everybody, tell me low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. Tell me, everybody, is the orange price action relevant, yes or no? Type in the chat, everybody, is the orange price action relevant to the market wave, yes or no? And don't be shy, everybody, there is no right or wrong. We don't bite. I don't bite. Not yet, at least. I bite in the advanced course. In this course, not yet. Then says no. Shola, is the orange price action relevant? Is the orange price action relevant, everybody? By the way, now that we're talking about the market wave, if you would enter long trading the market wave, should your stop loss be below the stop loss number 1, or should your stop loss be below the stop loss number 2? Everybody, stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2? Which one is the correct stop loss? Clone, there you go. Which one is the correct stop loss on the market wave? Not everybody, this is a beginner trader question, you know. Most of us, we're all the same. We lose because we might chart relevant highs and lows in the wrong way, and because we chart the relevant highs and lows in the wrong way, we could put the stop loss in the wrong place. Make sense? And we might be thinking, oh, those theories and concepts, they don't work. They do work, but we must get skilled to the point not to make this kind of mistakes. Make sense? We must get skilled to the point not to make those kind of mistakes anymore. Make sense? Stop loss number 2, very good. So out, 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 out. Okay, very good. So let's continue. No, high to low, low to high, high to low. It's a sequence. Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Everybody give me a second. Now, high to low, low to high. Okay, now is this, everybody, a short-term downtrend, the red one? Low to high, high to low, so this would be the orange one still, right? The orange one is here. Now I'm not going to check it Bitcoin. The yellow didn't make higher, higher, lower, low, very good. So everybody, do we have lower lows, lower highs in here? Talking about the red one. High to low, low to high. Everybody, do we have a change in the short-term trend in here? Boss, it's just one. It doesn't matter. Do we have a change in the short-term trend? There is a big difference in charting and in stop loss if you are going to do this as the market wave, especially on the smaller time frames, or you are going to do this. Make sense, everybody? This is where you lose. Make sense? You must obey the rules. Oh, it's just one, you know, doesn't matter. Make sense, everybody? It's going to be totally different story if you're going to chart the violet or you're going to chart the yellow one. You just chart the two different market waves. Which one is correct, everybody? Is the yellow line correct, the extension, or is the violet line? Which one is correct, everybody? The violet or the yellow? The yellow that it's straight. We are talking about this price section from here to here. Out, this one, out, out, out. Which one is correct, everybody? The violet one or the yellow one? The one is wrong. One is wrong. Violet, absolutely, the violet. But why? Why, boss? Because we are changing the shortened trend. So this is the correct one. Extension, retracement. Yellow one, extension, retracement, and up to here. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Alright, everybody? If you do this, extension, retracement, extension, you got your market wave on the 4-hour chart wrong. And if you're a day trader, everybody, trading on the 30-minute chart or 15-minute chart, and having the 4-hour chart as a confirmation, you are going to have, not judging, I'm trying to explain you. If you're a day trader on the 15-minute chart or 30-minute chart and you have your 4-hour chart, you are going to have a bunch of losers unnecessarily. Make sense? So this is the market wave, and then what happened so far? You know, the market broke, right? The market broke our market wave. Agreed, everybody? If those are all relevant highs and lows, rectangle, relevant high, relevant low, relevant high, relevant low, relevant high, the market here broke our relevant high, relevant low. Do you see it, everybody? And then I'm not going to waste time charting all the market wave in here. Then I can see that the market broke the relevant high up in here too. Agreed, everybody? So I don't need to waste time to chart all of this. It's going to break the market wave anyways. Okay? So if you understand, where should I start the new up market wave? Yellow arrow, or should I start with the red arrow? Where is the starting point of the new market wave? In the meantime, let's see how it's doing the Rakesh trade from yesterday, everybody. Wow, it's in profit. How are you going to make pips and money out of GBP USD 4-hour chart, everybody? Long or short? Where is the starting point of the new market wave? The yellow arrow or the red arrow? Red, very good. Now that being clear, everybody, how are we going to make money out of GBP USD for our chart? Okay, same story. Higher highs, higher lows. Is this a downtrend? No, it's not. Is this a downtrend? No, it's not. Is this a downtrend? No, it's not. Is this a downtrend? This is the first extension, retracement, extension. Is this a downtrend? Yes, it is. So new market wave, everybody. Something like this and something like that. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, and we are here right now. This is the most recent market wave on GBP USD for our chart. Alright? Forex trading week, how are we going to make pips and money out of the GBP USD for our chart? As always, everybody, yes, you can change currency pairs, you can change time frames. Just quick recap, you know. Number one, long or short. Number two, what time frame. Number three, what pattern. Number four, where is the stop loss, and number five, where is the take profit. Everybody, long or short, what time frame, what pattern, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit. And no, you cannot stay out of the market. If you want to learn, you should not stay out of the market, sorry to tell you. Yes, you can go to the monthly, weekly, daily, whatever, right? But let's say that you're trading on the 4-hour chart, right? What is the market telling you so far? You have the up market wave, the market's making higher highs, higher lows, you know. We've learned about trend lines and counter trend lines. Give me a second, everybody. Like this and like this. You know, trend line. We've learned about bullish and bearish candlestick formation so far. We've learned about support, resistance, pivot points. Alright? Long or short, GBP USD for our chart. There is no right or wrong. Recap, which one of those makes the money? Yeah, it's alright, we have risk-reward ratio, we have a percentage, but just an example. In between those 5 points, which one makes the money to the trader? In the advanced course, it's going to be something else. But so far, just the understanding of what we are doing here, which one is going to make me the money? Is the direction going to make me the money? Is the time frame going to make me the money? Is the pattern going to make me the money? Is the stop loss level going to make me the money? Or is the take profit going to make me the money? Dancy says stop loss makes the money. Anybody else? I almost forgot, everybody. I almost forgot. Let me see if I have in here April. I don't have it. Tomorrow. Everybody. Yeah, okay, I'm going to show you tomorrow. Stop loss, very good. Hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Shola, long or short on GBP USD right now. No, you cannot stay out of the market. It's just an exercise. Just an exercise. You cannot stay out. No, sir. Boss, teach me how to... I talked yesterday, everybody. Boss, teach me how to make money. Trade. Enter the market. Make sense? I'm scared, boss. Welcome to the club. But you still need to jump. Make sense, everybody? This course, and you like it because it's for free, right? This course, without the proper application, it's not going to help you. It's not going to help you. You must jump into the swimming pool and swim. Make sense, everybody? This course, if you don't trade and make mistakes and have the courage to enter the market, is not going to help you. As a matter of fact, no course is going to help until you implement the knowledge. And the advanced course, it's not for free. Oh, but it's the institutional, you know, you are teaching us how institutions are making money. Sure. But if you don't implement the knowledge into the live market, it's not going to help you. Does this make sense to everybody? Trading, it's a learnable skill, and success in trading, it's a formula. It's not a secret. It's nothing special, really, you know. But it's not, even though it's not it's a formula, and it's a learnable skill. If you don't trade, if you don't apply what you are learning in here, it's not going to help you. Does this make sense to you? Dance is long, alright. What time frame dance, what pattern? And where is the stop loss and take profit? Everybody, I have 5 minutes, then I need to go. 5 minutes, everybody, long or short? Dance is long, alright, what time frame? Yes, Fibonacci is coming next week. The information is too much, sir, it will take time. Sure, absolutely. 4 hour market, stop loss below relevant low. Alright, now we're talking. So Dance is going to enter the market. Here we are going to... What's the number somewhere? What is this one? We're going to move it later. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Buy the market, alright. Buy the market. Stop loss. $1.234. Submit. There you go. Take profit 221. Very good. See, everybody, is this that difficult? This is Dancy trade. We have 2. Yesterday it was Rakesh. Congratulations. Today it's Dancy. Congratulations to you. This is the stop loss. And take profit somewhere up in here. Everybody, is this that difficult? Can you do this, everybody? Analyze the charts, decide on the direction, find the pattern, and enter the market. Is this that difficult? Can you do this? Type in the chat, everybody, yes I can, or type in the chat, no I cannot do this, no it's too difficult. What if he loses? Listen to this question, everybody, not on YouTube but on the other streaming platform. What if he loses? What's the answer? Oh, but I could lose. What's the answer? This is the mindset. Make sense? You cannot have the Lambo without trading. A good trader is most likely a good analyst too. A good analyst, it's not always a good trader. Why not? Because of emotions. Oh, what if he loses? What if I lose? What's the answer? This is why the advanced course, everybody, make sense? All of your, where is this in here? All of your fears, I promise you, you have the recording, you can call me out. Not a problem. I promise you. All of your fears are going to be solved in the Forex course 202. Really? Yes, really. All of your fears and doubts are going to be solved in here. Everything is going to make sense. I promise you. Okay? And look at the text. If you've been around the block for 3 to 4 years or more and you are not making it, this course, it's a must. Why? Because there is something to learn. You are not stupid, right? But there is something to learn. You are lacking some specific knowledge, and this is your next level. And by the way, everybody, don't let 2023 to be just another year. Come on, you know. If you are new to the show, alright. If otherwise, if you are 2 years, 3 years, 5 years in the making, don't let 2020, you know, another year, 1 year, it's past, you know. Make sense, everybody? Alright, see you back tomorrow. Our time is up. Until tomorrow, stay strong and